I am Miss Pinky, and I am more than a rib.
I am Onay, Houston's own poetic diva, and I am more than a rib.
Hi, I'm Alexandria Green, CEO of Alex Green Media, and I am more than a rib.
I'm Thesha Jenkins, and I'm more than a rib.
My name is Sonia White. I am more than a rib.
Deanna Benton, I am more than a rib.
Hi, my name is Darian Benton, and I am more than a rib.
I'm Marsha, and I'm more than a rib.
Hi, I'm Rain, and I am more than a rib.
Quentin Richard, and I am more than a rib.
Hi, I'm Janice, and I am more than a rib.
I am more than a rib.
Sharon Cheatham, more than a rib.
My name is Ashley Cheatham, and I am more than a rib.
Hillary Green, and I am more than a rib.
I am here to support More Than a Rib. I think it is an awesome movement. It is about empowerment, and I support it because I'm a single mother taking care of my son by myself, so I definitely know about bringing the family unit together and trying to make it work. So I think this is an awesome project. You should support it like I am doing too.
So I truly believe in the More Than a Rib project because it takes very sensitive topics about the backpacks that we all carry around, the disappointments that we've had and how those impact the relationships that we are currently in, and the importance of men and women walking together and a woman being more than a rib in a relationship.